What's good, everybody? It's H back on another 12 Hub TV video, and another quick hitter on a shoe that I actually gonna keep. I reviewed this shoe already. It's a Yeezy 450, but this is the black one. Yeah, it's a Yeezy 450. It's the black slate, dark slate. Sorry, dark slate. Let's go.
There are a lot of places that you don't know me. There are a lot of places you don't know me.
So, the dark slate. This came out after the cloud white. I have the cloud white. You can check out the video for that up here. And, oh, look, the fit today. No, let's focus. The fit today. Button it up a little bit. I like one button. I don't know. I hit up Polo recently, and I never really liked the big Polo man right now. Never liked the Polo man that big. If you notice, you go through all my videos, I've never had a Polo man this size on my shirts. I want to get a green John to go with some green stuff, and including shoes. So I was just like, let me go ahead and get this because I don't have a green, like a real green Polo. So that's the story behind that. But I really don't like the big Polo man on the shirt. I don't know. I like my Polo to be subtle. I like to let the thing speak for it, whether it's with the wording saying Polo or whatever. But this is okay. I'm gonna rock with it. I'm gonna see how it goes. We're going on vacay. I'm gonna rock out with it. Anyway, the 450 Dark Slate. This came out on the 26th of June, I believe. And yeah, I copped. I just been holding it. I got myself a size 13. Oh, wrong side. Size 13. So I'm a size 12 naturally, and I try to find the right fit in a Yeezy because it's very tough. So I finally figured it out. 700s, 350s, and 350s. Yeah, 700s and 350s. 12 and a half for V3s. 700s. They are a size 13 because of the materials. So I've been through a lot of V3s and selling them and all that stuff. And yeah, they're tough. They're tough to fit. Yeah, size 12 didn't fit. 12 and a half didn't fit. Almost ripped through that 12 and a half. Whoever got that shoe when I sold it, man, God bless your soul if that didn't rip. Because I ripped it trying to get on my foot. But size 13 is there. And then also the MVMs is, I always go, the MVMs, whatever they call them, the minivans, those are about a half size up, so 12 and a half, and those fit fine. But yeah, these are hard to fit. These I just didn't even, like look, they're super rare right now at least. And I was like, I'm not messing around. I already bought the 13 in the cloud white. That fit me fine, and it didn't look right on my foot. I wasn't feeling it on my foot. So you could watch the video and see how I, critique them. Very cozy shoe though. I was surprised at how comfortable the materials were and everything on my foot. So I was like, let me go get the black one. That I could rock out with. I got a fit for that all day. Cargo pants, all types of stuff that work with that particular shoe. So I want to rock it. So here it is, 450. Dark Slate, aka Black 450. So nothing, when I pull these out already, and the biggest critique I have of these shoes is the fact that there could be more here. I want ankle support, people. I want some ankle support. I'm not support. I mean, this sock. I'm not a sock shoe guy like I used to be. I used to be more. So when Yeezys first started popping, I'm a big fan. I used to buy a lot of 350s. I love the 380s. Oh, 380s are true to size, by the way. For me, I don't know about you. I like them true to size. They don't bother me true to size. But yeah, look at this. This is like, it's crazy looking. But I wanted a pair of these because I'm like, look, the price point isn't that bad, considering. I am a big fan of being different. And being different to me includes stuff like this. So when I tried it on the cloud white variation, it's freaked me out. I was like, oh, I can't It's never gonna look good on me. Then they said they're coming out with a black, and I got it. I tried these on already. They don't look bad on my feet. Can't rock them with shorts. Don't do shorts, people. Don't do shorts. do sweats, cargo pants. I don't want to say jeans because jeans, depending on what type of jeans, I don't know. You could probably pull them off. But they're still cozy. I put them on for a little bit, walked around in them, cozy. So they will be a comfortable shoe to walk around in. Definitely a fall shoe. I wouldn't advise wearing this in snow or anything like that because of the upper being like pretty much not that durable. Maybe it'll get wet, whatever. No rain or snow in these. But yeah, they look like they'll keep you warm in the winter either way. It's pretty thick. But it's just a cozy shoe. I put it in the same. It's like an in-between shoe. So it's in between a 350 and it's in between a what do they call it? The foam runner. Okay, so the foam runner obviously is its own thing. The slides are their own thing. This is sort of a like to me, it's like a hybrid. It's different looking. It looks crazy, but it goes right in line with the 350s. Tell me what you think about that. I don't know. My critique is like all over the place with these. I'm a big Yeezy guy. You know, Kanye aside, I feel like his shoes have changed the game a lot as far as people wanting to be different and doing different things. I'm one of those guys. I like to do different things and wear different stuff. So 9 times out of 10, a shoe like this is appealing to me. If you're a basic person and you're taking my word for it, don't go and buy these shoes because you are not going to wear them. The only thing holding me back from wearing these is the resale value. They're going for like $300 right now, which is fine. Actually, wait, let me double check with 13. 13's a little rarer. Let me see. They are going for $312 last sale, like $315. So they're moving at a $300 clip. The cloud white's a little more sought after. I wish I had unloaded mine at like $6 something when they were up there, but they're still up there. They're like $500. I paid $416, I think, for mine. So they're still in the high price range and selling. The cloud whites, more people like them, so that's that. Either way, they don't look right on my feet, so I'm gonna offload those when I get an opportunity to. But yeah, tell me what you think. It's a claw grabbing a sock and it's an ankle high sock. That's about it. Anyway, another 12 Hub TV episode. Check out the podcast. Link down below. Like and subscribe. All that stuff. We talk about a lot of good stuff on there, but you know you're gonna miss out. We go almost 2 hours every week, having guests, having fun, and it's quite the experience. Shout out to Glenn. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. This is another one. Check y'all later. Peace.